Okay, adventure car ride.
Oh my god, that bit was fucking weird.
Should we go
Lower the swearing.
Yeah, that's swearing.
Yeah, that's LA. Driver. Yeah, supervisor, but fully licensed. Go-kart water beer.
Cup.
And a funny, crazy chicken lady.
Yeah, because you make friends with chickens.
Not dolphins.
That was fish. Fish are friends, not food, except stink dolphins. Let me flip for you.
Yes, take your time. Oh, there's barely no one behind you.
I need a fucking 40. I've never been on dirt roads, especially this one.
So, hopefully we see more. That was just weird. That one ran out the car.
I was fucking flying, it was fucking running.
So more of the ocean view. There's more down there.
I've never seen a
I think
bird
there's
do
this
that.
there's penguin things back there.
Yeah,
One there.
yeah,
Not
No,
running.
it's not running, it's eating.
I'm only doing 31.
no. Yeah, it's alright, just take your time.
And there's another one.
Your car's got to go through most of this terrain.
What are you doing?
Do you know, this is how they test them. Not parking right. Of course, hog it all up. Oh, there's a bird.
Well, Tash, you definitely helping me fucking wash my car.
What? Scrubbing it while I'm naked?
In your bikini. In your bikini.
Yeah.
Something has a bikini.
How would you think I hasn't got a bikini? Have you asked her?
Look! Oh, that's not a boat, is it? Doesn't look like a boat.
Yeah, it is a boat.
Yeah, but not that other one.
I don't know, I can't see from here.
I know.
No, I think it's another jet ski.
Yeah, I know. They're so confusing.
Yeah. Alright.
Oh, you're neutral, dumb fuck.
Thank you, Katrina. Or Tash.
There's a birdie.
That one.
Don't do that. Katrina, you have pictures to put my window.
I think that's why it ran at you, Katrina. Well, especially ran at
I don't know if
us.
that's a whale or not.
I don't know. But
If it was a whale, the boat would have stopped.
Oh no, they're allowed to go near. I think that's Pyramid Rock just in front.
I think so. I don't know.
Because we're going there too.
Hello. Hey, what's up? I am working tomorrow. I just got asked like an hour ago.
That looks like a little whale.
6:45 in the morning. Yeah, to 12.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I know. I'm doing like 5 hours tomorrow and then my full shift on Tuesday, 10 and a half hour shift on Wednesday. So yeah. I'm still to the island with the girls, but like I just told them I can't spend
Might as well look.
like because of work, because I want to get a proper sleep this time. Alright then, I'll let you go and I'll see you later on.
Oh, that's where you see him come in.
Alright then, bye.
Bloody can.
Check if I have it back to say. Just have to do one.
No, just seeing. So this is another. So we might see one of them. Nice view. It's where you see the penguins come in at night. Obviously not a lot of people allowed in. The killer whales get sighted here. So there's Pyramid Rock. I'll still keep posting videos. There's apparently a good lookout over there. Just trying to see. If there's anything different in the water. Obviously not. So I'll see you on the next video.